Okay, I'm going to demonstrate now how I'm stripping the media off of my phone using this phone to record everything, but it doesn't cooperate with me. What is my knob to drop down every time? I have to find a way to handle this better. It doesn't drop down every 5 seconds. How can I do that? Turn this a little bit smaller so I can record everything. First of all, I want to have my notepad here somewhere. I'll use this one here. Go to the very top. Make a little space at the very top. File save. Then I want to record some other things here. And this is not good. I don't want it to be nosing around like that. I have to find some way to trap this so it doesn't go around out of control. What would be a good way to stop it from moving around on its own? That is the question. Okay, that is good enough for now. So now I want to turn on MSN recorder and record the screen. And this is a screen recorder I want to try. And then I want to record and I want to select full screen. Copy the file name that it produced to the clipboard buffer. And then paste it in my notepad. At the top, edit, paste, and file, save. Next thing I want to do is I want to bring up Psar and start recording Psar. Psar is a problem step recorder. I want to verify that it is set, the settings up to 999. Number of recent screens to capture, screen capture to store. So I'm setting that to 999, the max. Then start recording. And then immediately I want to add a comment with the video file name. So I'm going to paste the video file name right in there, Control V. And OK. And finally I want to add to that the camera software. Now I'm going to use Webcam Max. I want to use the try version, the free version. I don't need to add the effects. So I'm going to X out of the effects. And then start recording. Now I see that it starts recording. I want to put a little something on my head. Okay, sweat strap. Then our famous fishing hat with a halo effect. Okay, so now that I got the fishing hat with the halo effect, I'm ready to proceed. And this is the cycle, a Vanity phone number that spells area code 843, 779, and 2426. Altogether, the cycle, or vid, the cycle, vid for video. Okay, so now that we're finished with that, I can proceed, put some kind of a statement in my notepad as to what is the topic of today. So our topic of today, what kind of scan did we do yesterday? Ultrasound. Ultrasound.
Or the veins.
Ultrasound.
A lot of times they use the initials US.
Fine. Vein ultrasound.
Right. V-E-I-N.
Oh, V-E-I-N. Tough spell. V-E-I-N. Vein ultrasound. Plus the melon. Sugar kiss. Plus sugar kiss. Kiss. Melon. So this is the topic of today. Now I'm going to capture all of that and save it as a new file. So I'm going to shift down, copy to the clipboard buffer by edit, copy, and then go file, save as, and paste the new file on top of the old one, but only from the point of the time. First I want to mark the whole area that I'm going to overwrite. Then go Control V. Now I want to adjust the time and date. Today is the October the 4th. So I'm going to put in there 10 for October. Then 4th. Delete the remainder. Get rid of the A. The day of the week is Saturday. And the time of the day that I started was 1:30 p.m. Then dash. The current time is 1:50 p.m. 1:50 p.m. Now I can delete all the extra stuff. PM, not PM. PM. Now I want to insert the location of which should be document. Right, in the document, I want to store it in the document folder. And we're in the document folder. In the log subfolder, so I'm going to expand the document folder and then navigate down to log. Another idea is just to copy the whole thing to the clipboard buffer and then insert the log subfolder later. So let's do that. I'll copy all of it to the clipboard buffer first, then go and paste it at the top, edit, paste, a few spaces, and then I'm going to scroll down and try to find the path to log, but I don't see that I have the path to log. So with this in mind, I'll navigate again and turn on some more lights here. Let me see if I can find the log subfolder somewhere else. Just maybe here. Does this have the log subfolder? Nope. So I may have to navigate to the log subfolder. Just cannot find it. Or one other place I may look for. Maybe here. Let's see what we got here. I have it here, maybe no. I'm just so tired. Jesus. So close this. Image this. File. Save as. Open the documents folder. Open the documents folder. I want to navigate to letter L for log. LMNOP is just above N. I have to delete these extra folders. LMNOP, here is log, finally. Log. And now I want to copy the path to log. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Navigate down to the file name. Then Control V to paste. Backslash. This is 10. And the log subfolder. This documentation is so tedious, I can die from this. This is irrelevant, so I'll just take it out of here. Let's try to just paste it in the front then. Control. No, I have to open up and copy it first. I have to navigate back to document and to log. So bad, man. This computer has to be replaced, you know, it is so slow.
I want it to be replaced. I like that. Now, should I ask for the same kind?
Yeah.
I'll get it done.
Yeah, and then I can simply copy the hard drive.
Just copy the hard drive. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Just so tedious, Jesus. Yeah, well. Here is Lord. Stuff. So tough. Copy. Add the comment. Jesus, until the mouse moves.
You should maybe shut down everything and turn it back on.
Yeah, I have to do that. Basically, don't have the choice because it is so slow. Edit, paste, backslash. Took me 15 minutes to just save a file name. Edit, copy, file, save as. Control V to paste. Sugar kiss melon. Enter. It's just too much. Now I deleted the whole damn thing. Jesus. Control V. Control V. And every time I log in, I have to remove the hard drive because it starts trying to change my password, you know?
You need to get a new one.
Yeah, it's just too much. I'm exhausted too from all of this. Rain, ultrasound. Spelled. Yes. That's good enough. Some. File, save. Oh, it's a copy. Stop recording also. When I close document, And the mouse also, every time you click it, it puts in 2 clicks.
No, the whole thing needs to be replaced.
You know, it's just, after a while, it is so bad.
Just turn it off.
And I have to go to video. Expand video. Then expand galaxy. Then expand black. Then go into black. Create new folder. Then paste the new number, the new string, Control V. Then get into it. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Now navigate to the next subfolder, which is purple. And paste on purple the new subfolder with Explorer. Then double click it to open it up. So now I have the new subfolder. I want to turn on my phone to strip, swipe, and connect it to the computer and pray.
It looks like you're asking about how...
Close all apps. Wow. Now let's see if the computer can see my phone. Right mouse click, File Explorer, Galaxy A54 5G, SD card, DCIM, camera. I'm going to mark the first to the last. First one, tap, and then shift tap the last one. Then right mouse, cut, minimize the screen, or make it smaller. And then I have to minimize it. Minimize it. Then go to the target, right mouse click and paste. Okay, so now that I got it pasted there, I want to copy the path. Right mouse click, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then go to the notepad. Make a section in the notepad marked by an open slash, the path to upload to YouTube, and then close slash, and then file, save. Now that I've done that, I'm going to add the path as a comment to Pixar while it is copying. Control V, and click save. Then minimize the internet, which I don't need anymore. Minimize, close everything that I don't need. Then I want to copy the file. Main. Go to the beginning where I then copy the whole thing. Edit, copy, add a comment. Control V. Okay. And stop Psar. Now I want to save Psar. I want to paste the new file name. Control V. And replace the path of log with the path of Psar. Copy. Now mark the log path all the way to the word log. And then Control V. Now I got myself a complete file name that I like. That I want to copy to the clipboard buffer first, and then save it. An error occurred while attempting to save. Cannot find the path. Okay. So let's try to save it again. See what is wrong with the path. Control V. What is wrong with the path? C, user document psar.txt. 10/4/25, Saturday. I don't see that there's really anything wrong with this path. Just to be sure, I'm going to delete the path and just have the file name. That will solve the problem. Let's see if this works. Okay, that worked. Review. 5 steps. New recording. Add a comment. Control-V. Enter. And I need to close some of these browsers. These browsers are causing too much trouble. Finally, looks like this worked. So I want to see if it is truly empty. So I'm going to look at the folder on this PC. The camera is empty, so I can take the disk out and remove it and charge it. Let's find some charger where I can recharge it. Here. $78. Okay, so it will recharge it. And now it's time to take this disk, so I'm going to stop this recording.